Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on the pure rolling of bodies up an inclined plane. The question is as follows. A ring of radius r, a solid cylinder of radius r by 2 and a solid sphere of radius r by 4 are made to roll up the same inclined plane without slipping from a horizontal plane. In each case, the speed of the center of mass at the bottom of the incline are same. Then the ratio of the maximum heights up to which they will climb is. The options are 4:3:2, 20:15:14, 10:15:7 and 2:3:4. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. For a body of mass is equal to m, radius is equal to r, and radius of gyration is equal to k. Moment of inertia is given by I is equal to mk square. For pure rolling motion without slipping, angular velocity omega and linear velocity v are related as omega is equal to v by r. Kinetic energy of translation is given by kt is equal to half mv square, and kinetic energy of rotation is given by kr is equal to half I omega square. Putting I is equal to mk square and omega is equal to v by r, we get kr is equal to 1 by 2 mv square into k square by r square. Therefore, total kinetic energy is given by k is equal to kt plus kr, which is equal to half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square. Now, let us understand that k square by r square is independent of radius of the body. Consider a circular disk of mass m and radius r is equal to r by n. Therefore, moment of inertia I is equal to half mr square, which is equal to half m into r by n whole square. If the radius of gyration is equal to k, then I is equal to mk square. Therefore, k square is equal to half into r by n whole square. Therefore, k square by r square is equal to 1 by 2, which is independent of n. Let the body climb up to height h on the inclined plane. Therefore, potential energy U is equal to mgh. Equating this with the kinetic energy given by equation 1, we get mgh is equal to half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square, which gives h is equal to v square by 2g into 1 plus k square by r square. Since v is a constant, we have h1 is to h2 is to h3 is equal to 1 plus k1 square by r1 square is to 1 plus K2 square by R2 square is to 1 plus K3 square by R3 square. Now for the answer. For the ring, K1 square by R1 square is equal to 1. For the solid cylinder, K2 square by R2 square is equal to 1 by 2. And for the solid sphere, K3 square by R3 square is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, H1 is to H2 is to H3 is equal to 1 plus 1 is to 1 plus 1 by 2 is to 1 plus 2 by 5. Simplifying, we get H1 is to H2 is to H3 is equal to 20 is to 15 is to 14, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B, which completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.